오, 다 단다. 자미게 다짜 베겔라. 이간 단다 도와. 다 테스트하다. 테스트하다네 고속인데 다자데 마파그래. 가서 딩에네 다가랑 가서 제일 캠베 자와도 고속 다주데 마파서와. 다 단다 이게 도와. 마부치지 통고도 앞에 또 가이나. 어디? 다 테스트네 고속 마파그래. Free Tibet.
Now! Now! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet!
아재 쳤던게 뒤에 동게 질러 야 봐봐 쳤지 또
Environmental destruction! Stop the environmental destruction! Shame, shame! Shame, shame! China lies!
People die!
China lies!
People die!
China out of my country!
Now!
China out of my country!
Now!
China out of Tibet!
Now!
China out of Tibet!
Now!
Tibet belongs to! Tibet belongs to! Tibet is my country!
Tibet is my country!
Tibet is my country!
Tibet is my country!
China out of Tibet! China out of Tibet! Shame, shame! Shame, shame! Justice for! Justice for! Justice for! Lobga boys for! Lobga boys for! 170 self-immolations in Tibet! 170 self-immolations in Tibet! Shame, shame! Shame, shame! What do we want? What do we want? When do we want it? When do we want it? Tibet will be! Tibet will be! Tibet must be! Tibet must be! Today or tomorrow! Tibet will be free! Today or tomorrow! Today or tomorrow! Tibet belongs to! Tibet belongs to! China out of Tibet! China out of Tibet! Okay. Thank you all. If you could all please cross the road to be on the other side, safely. Just one moment. Don't cross when the car. Tepa and Kunsel, do you mind helping people cross the road?
Hello.
Okay, then we're going to
Sorry,
begin.
just had a call from the embassy. If you guys could basically
With our
take
first
this off
speech?
and just move over to the sides.
I mean,
just
we
so
can pull it away from the
If we can
black
basically
railing
either
here.
side look in as well, if we can do that, because they need to have the gate open, the entrance bit open.
I mean, they've blocked off.
First of all, before I begin, I want to thank all the organisers, all our friends and all our supporters for being here today. I moved to New York in 2013 and Lobga and some of his closest friends were among the very first Tibetans I got to know there. One of the first actions we worked on together was commemorating the 100th anniversary of the 13th Dalai Lama's 1913 proclamation of Tibetan independence. A historic declaration and proof of Tibet's independence. That day was one of pride. We gathered outside the Chinese consulate with balloons, Tibetan songs, beating drums and political theatre, celebrating Tibetan independence. Lobga's friends, many of them former political prisoners, unfurled a banner from the building bearing a line from that proclamation. Chinese shall be happy in China and Tibetans shall be happy in Tibet. China hated it because it challenged the lie that Tibet has always been a part of China. It was history that they could not erase. Tibetans from every generation stood in defiance. It was victory. And every year after that, whether it was snowing, raining or freezing cold, Lobga was who Lobga Rangzen was. He was always present. Whether it was calling for the release of political prisoners, defending our language and culture, or demanding Tibet's independence, he was there. He was a devoted Rangzenba. But that's not the first thing I think about when I think of Lobga Rangzen. I think about his smile. I think about his laugh. And for some reason, every time he saw me, he looked genuinely happy. He would walk straight over to me, wrap me in a hug, grab both of his hands, my hands, and hold them for what felt like forever. It wasn't one of those quick handshakes. It was warm. It was real. He had this way of making you feel like you mattered. The first thing he would ask me was, "Kirapala Deborah, how is your father?" And then he would update me on the latest news of New York. Sometimes he'd send me voice messages asking me where I disappeared to. Other times he'd send me completely random videos of himself dressed up in costumes or sitting somewhere eating biryani. He had this mischievous sense of humor. He loved to laugh. He loved life. And a friend later told me that biryani was the last meal he ate before he self-immolated. When I heard that, I laughed. And then I cried. Because somehow it was so Lobga. He was someone who worked incredibly hard for Tibet. But he also knew how to enjoy life. That's the Lobga I will always remember. On July 3rd, I woke up to messages from friends. One simply said, "It's Lobga." Another wrote, "I wanted to check on you. I know how much he cared about you and how much you cared about him." I had no idea what I was about to see. But before I even opened social media, I found myself shaking, chanting, "No, no, no." And then I opened Instagram and I saw it. Lobga, engulfed in flames. He was standing firm. He didn't waver. I watched for a brief moment, and there was a strange stillness in me. Then grief hit, anger and pain, and I cried and cried. But then I went into action, because I knew this was a deliberate act. One he had reached with absolute conviction. This was a political act, a final call for Tibetans to unite for independence, and for the United Nations to do their job and hold China to account. Before it came into place, yet he has not said a single word about China's colonial boarding schools, the very system driving the forced assimilation. China's last UN review on children's rights was in 2013. More than a decade later, around 1 million Tibetan children have been separated from their families. How has the United Nations allowed this to happen? We must demand better, and we must demand it ferociously. Children are being separated from their families, language, culture and religion, causing psychological harm. We must urge Volker Turk to break his silence on colonial boarding schools. His silence must end today. And I know many of you feel frustrated. I do too. It feels like the United Nations is useless. It feels like it's rigged. It seems like governments care more about trade than human rights. It's a painful reality. Sometimes it feels like China is winning. But whenever I begin to think that,
single day under Chinese colonial rule, the Chinese government has created a situation so unimaginable that 170 Tibetans have resorted to self-immolation to make their voices heard. And now the Chinese government has enacted a law, the Ethnic Unity and Progress Law, which
Down! No more!
PRC!
Down!
CCP!
No more!
PRC!
Down! Tibetans in Tibet.
We are with you.
Tibetans in Tibet.
We are with you.
Long live.
Dalai Lama.
Long live.
Dalai Lama.
Release, release.
Panchen Lama.
Release, release.
Panchen Lama.
Free Tibet.
China out.
Free Tibet.
China out.
Free Tibet.
China out. Hands off Tibetan children.
Shut down the colonial boarding school.
In Tibet.
Shut down the colonial boarding school.
In Tibet.
Shame
China.
Shame on!
China.
China lies!
People die.
China lies!
People die.
Bloody China!
Bloody China.
Bloody China!
Out of Tibet.
Bloody China!
Out of Tibet.
Liar China!
Out of Tibet.
Liar China!
Out of Tibet.
Down, down!
CCP.
Down, down!
CCP.
Justice for!
Lobga Rangzen.
Justice for!
Lobga Rangzen.
Lobga bound for!
Free Tibet.
Lobga bound for!
Free Tibet.
Lobga self-immolated for!
Free Tibet.
Lobga self-immolated for!
Free Tibet.
170 self-immolations in Tibet!
Freedom now. Freedom now.
170 self-immolations in Tibet!
Freedom now. Freedom now.
Shame, shame!
China shame.
Shame, shame!
China shame.
China out of Tibet!
Now.
China out of Tibet!
Now.
China out of Tibet!
Now.
China out of my country!
Now.
Tibet is Tibet!
Tibet is Tibet.
Tibet is Tibet!
Tibet is Tibet.
Tibet is not China!
Tibet is not China.
Tibet is not China!
Tibet is not China.
Tibet is not Xizang!
Tibet is not Xizang.
Tibet is not Xizang!
Tibet is not Xizang.
Tibet is Tibet!
Tibet is Tibet.
Tibet is Tibet!
Tibet is Tibet.
I am Tibetan!
I am Tibetan.
I am Tibetan!
I am Tibetan.
Tibet is my country!
Tibet is my country.
Tibet is my country!
Tibet is my country.
China out of my country now!
China out of my country now.
China out of my country now!
China out of my country now.
Shame, shame!
China shame.
Shame, shame!
China shame.
Xi Jinping!
Shame on you.
Xi Jinping!
Shame on you.
Bring it, Hanggu!
Bring it in.
Bring it, Hanggu!
Bring it in.
Come on, bring it!
Not your shit.
Come on, bring it!
Not your shit.
China out of Tibet!
Now.
China out of Tibet!
Now.
China out of my country!
Now.
China out of my country!
Now.
Tibet belongs to!
Tibetans.
Tibet belongs to!
Tibetans.
Tibet is my country!
Tibet is my country.
Tibet is my country!
Tibet is my country.
Tibet is not China!
Tibet is not China.
Tibet is not China!
Tibet is not China.
End the occupation! End the occupation!
End the occupation.
End the occupation!
End Tibet.
Shame, shame!
China shame.
Shame, shame!
China shame.
China lies!
People die.
China lies!
People die.
China out of Tibet!
Now.
Tibet will be!
Free.
Tibet will be!
Free.
Tibet must be!
Free.
Tibet must be!
Free.
Tibet will be!
Free.
Today or tomorrow!
Tibet will be free.
Today or tomorrow!
Tibet will be free.
Today or tomorrow!
Tibet will be free.
China out of Tibet!
Now.
China out of Tibet!
Now.
Human rights!
In Tibet.
Human rights!
In Tibet.
Religious freedom!
In Tibet.
Religious freedom!
In Tibet.
Media freedom!
In Tibet.
Media freedom!
In Tibet.
Language freedom!
In Tibet.
Language freedom!
In Tibet.
Shame, shame!
China shame.
Shame, shame!
China shame.
China, China, hands off!
Hands off Tibetan children.
China, China, hands off!
Hands off Tibetan children.
China, China, hands off!
Hands off Tibetan children.
Shame on!
China.
Shame on!
China.
Xi Jinping!
Shame on you.
Xi Jinping!
Shame on you.
Justice for!
Lobga Rangzen.
Justice for!
Lobga Rangzen.
Justice for!
Lobga Rangzen.
Lobga bound for!
Free Tibet.
Lobga bound for!
Free Tibet.
Lobga self-immolated for!
Free Tibet.
Lobga self-immolated for!
Free Tibet.
170 self-immolations in Tibet!
Freedom now.
Down, down!
CCP.
Down, down!
CCP.
UNO!
We want justice.
UNO!
We want justice.
Liar China!
Out of Tibet.
Liar China!
Out of Tibet.
Killer China!
Out of Tibet.
Killer China!
Out of Tibet.
Shame, shame!
China shame.
China out of Tibet!
Now.
Tibet is burning!
Tibet is burning.
Tibet is burning!
The world is watching.
Tibet is burning!
The world is watching.
Shame, shame!
China shame.
Shame, shame!
China shame.
Good
za me pe le tro che se son de ka te la che be ke san yo wa nye to che den da te ji cha ji la di le che be lu so long che yo ta te ka wa cha ta tu pe ke wo nam jo je ko je tu che chong wa je Dona gomba chere se wanke se che kele che na kanje she yo so cha che me lam kanje be de san ten de no do cha wa je man do che ni sa me de ta tu je tu da te ji to le de lo de di ta ta ki me lam de me no do Chadon kolo jure ke voto, jendon ke wa sambe sanje ka, ala kando de la de de ma, jumba chile se la chate lo, o mani pe no 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 o mani pe no 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 mani
Tojina. Thank you everyone for showing up today. A massive thank you to Tashi, to Kunzo, from SFT, from VTAG for helping organize this. And yes, please give them the flowers. Say thank you to them when you see them.
And thank you to Lobga as well. Sorry, I missed him out. Thank you to Lobga.
한데 병에 참아로래야 도제 체세 쉬어이 빼아부 주소로 하더래 잠아 오늘 빼아부 주소 빼자로 당아도 캠베자 차소 드니 단드니 팔라 트윈 싱고로와 안드그라운드네 스톱 시도 스토어에 드네네 체니 가도 트윈 단다 런던 투 브리스톨 동에테나 주고래 지생하다 대시 트윈 로도 단드네라 단다 까망아도시 오늘 레도로 야야 아니게 다들이 년동데 단드네 파 태와다 아니 브리스톨 쪽으로 와 템퍼 미들 쪽으로 와 땡인 줍두기 넘버 2게 년도 시와들이야 도체나 쉬어이 아니 가르잖아 근데 잡다데 망스 땅로 나가서 쉬어인다 잡다 당아도 잡다 땅 걸어와. 또 다리라고 이제 남미. 사야 뭐 인지 놈발 나로라다. 미망부 쇼지. 나도 캠베장에 배발레샤 캠베 자사게 라데 당사게 인지 인지 마모도 랑가라 쇼무 쇼라데도 니만이고 배하고 청소라 라소 당아도 저쪽에다 안드가운 다데 다 뒤자는만 저쪽으로야 스톱 카시실 도로 당가도 돼 레소야 밴디 다운 레소 네 미게도 당이 당가쓰기 저기 도거다 야 단단해 된 거야 드네 봐봐 그래 이 보모 깔래 가서 애들이 깔래 가서 알레오 잡조로 로가 랑제 자로 라인베 파오 로가 랑제 자로 라인베 다 미세나로라 제요 말다 나도 경고 차도 선도 근데 보러 와 야야 당가도 돼 트레인 굿데요 아니 단다 런던에 브리스톨 동에 트레인 제 굿데요 아니 때 하나 보트 놀러 레소나게 땅와 단다 미세게 와스케면도 야야야 안데 트레인 굿데요 지정나다 데시고라 트레인도 아마 트레인 굿데 샤니 pugusunde 제부데 스토스라 소안데 지버가 다우타르다고 녀데샤 나도 데다다 잘들다사 추시도 아니 데시 사야도사 아니 트렌드 지대 가들이 나다 가들이 나도 트렌드 레자도 단단히 봐 트렌드 스가도 예 데데 다 대사야 보지라나 가보다 당이 부분이 돼도 되셔 다쇼 저래니 단다라 브리스톨 템포미터 레차소 단다 가조가 너네나 버스 신을 나온도야죠 다데 까망가마시민도 아니 버스 레기도 된다데 버스 담보데 쇼사래 가서나 단다네 마 땡고로와 어디니 더지 데스 고도래 버스 담보데 쇼도도 다 버스 트레인 레차이 브리스톨 템포미터 레차이 아니 드네 버스 신을 지시가 감시비 스토어 근데 나올래로와
Eight. One at a time.
Be ready.
One at a time. Stop.
Go through. Is the pain actually that much?
슬로마 대인바 먹을라 통도 버스 세우시도 넘버 둔주데 니 나가 살마 부도 얘네 다들 쇼자소 버스 dro자소 먹는 바 도도 막 세우데 어디 가서 dro사래 다 쇼자소 근데 데스 고다 라소 당니게 오년도 생에 당 생에 참말로라 문네 삼지다시 teleda 아니 오 데모스다 생에 참말로라 투지체 슈아이 다른 니마지게 드림 나로라 당아주 켐베 비스톤에 런던 도르와 당아라 나한데데 지넬레소 지넬레디 좀 출레디 좀 추제 가서레시나 추제 게와타다 섬수 추제 게와 섬수 아니네 테디 좀 추제 고다 어 테싱원에 나는 테임바 테인디 니마지 따다 조소 지슈아이 난 나라레소 아니 이게 tropo chewangi mota de sha tanu shuge de de sha ni ngani bas sum dani male ya jo twen na do o dani je do de ba tan da jine chule cha si ande kale te se khade kale khaso la khamasu chanja la de sha o dani re sha
ni shoro ji
sepshu ro
tren na ni shoro
ngi pugni de telle de ye 오 당아도 나라 지네레 사이 오 당이니도 데텔 주도와 다시 델레데 니자 에 아니도 데 잠샤오네 부분이데 데스칼레 카데니 제 공부 쉬우자기 투더레 로 다시 텔레라